suppose you wonder why I've called you together for this meeting.
I wasn't wondering, I was sleeping.
But you should have left him sleeping.
Gentlemen, have you ever heard of a space capsule with a one-way radio?
Well, come to think of it, no.
Professor, what are you driving at?
The possibility that those Russians didn't land here by mistake.
You mean they're planning to take over the island and use it for a base?
Oh, then when they take us to Moscow, Professor, how cold does it get in Siberia?
We could be jumping to conclusions. Actually, we don't have any facts.
But don't confuse the facts. I just don't trust these two fellas.
I'm with Mr. Howell. I don't trust these chaps either.
Then we're even.
What's that supposed to mean?
I don't think they trust us chaps either.
Igor, you believe they are shipwrecked?
Of course not.
Must be secret American space program.
These Americans, they think they can fool us.
Especially Gilligan. He acts too stupid to be stupid.
Must be the cleverest one of them all.
I could just get inside that capsule. I think I could send a message.
But they're guarding it night and day.
I, Thurston Howell III, can outwit 2 Russians.
I hope it's one of your sneakiest plans.
Gentlemen, allow me to show you how this spy business really works.
Agent 362536 reporting, sir. Hello.
Goroshodovchenka.
Where's your friend?
He is in jungle sleeping for to keep cool. I am here alone.
Not anymore. Tall, dark, and Russian.
Wait, where do you go?
Oh, just going for a little stroll and a moonlight swim.
This is good place for swim too.
But the other side of the island is much better. Why don't you come along?
I have to stay in capsule.
Can't have everything, big boy.
You got the message.
I didn't even know she could speak Russian.